Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video because Amazon sent me a used radio, and this one right here, BF whatever the hell it is. Of course, they don't ever put their model number on the box either, but it's the BF H6 or something like that. Um, so this particular radio, when it shipped, the battery was already on it, and the one of the inspection stickers is scraped off here, and you can see the glue. There's some signs of some dirt and a scrape on the front. But the fact that the battery was attached to the radio and it was in its little tray um, here, both the radio and the battery were in this plastic. And then down in here was the plastic for the battery. So please, make sure that if you get a radio from Amazon, from any of these companies that are fulfilled by Amazon, make sure you are buying a new radio. Check it out. Look for signs of wear. And if they send you a used radio, call them up and complain and tell them you want a discount or a brand new radio or both. Okay? Because it's a problem. What's happening is these companies are taking these radios and they're getting them back. Somebody else doesn't like them for whatever. Maybe it has low audio. Maybe they're like, well, it doesn't put out 10 watts. They send it back, and then they resend it back to Amazon. They send it to you. Amazon doesn't know any better. So anyway, this one's used. It was used. It was obvious it was used. And it was even more obvious when I got it out in the sunlight. So we don't know if this new one is going to be the same crap too. And if it is, I'm done doing business with Amazon. Unless I absolutely have to. This is not an unboxing video. This is me trying to see if they sent me the same crap again, and I just decided I need it on camera because, proof. We'll go here. Fancy gift wrapping. I try not to mess anything up when I open these. So that way I don't destroy the box, I don't do anything funky. I need to send it back. I'm not having an issue with, oh my god, I screwed this box up. So, got it on camera, we're filming it. If it's used, we're sending it back. I'm tired of this crap. This is like the second or third time I've got something used. I don't normally order Baofeng radios off of Amazon. This one has damaged packaging. I mean, we can see that right now. It has been squished good. Okay? Squished. Boom. Somebody played football with it. Anyway, it should be fine. But, okay. Instruction manual. Okay. Now here's where we're going to get into it. This radio is probably also used. The battery is already on it. They do not ship that way. There's no reason for that. That's got to be used. Okay. There is no plastic for the battery. But this one had, let me replicate this. It didn't have the clip on it. I put the clip on it, but it had this battery. In this bag. I'm getting tired of these companies. I'm sorry guys, I am venting because I am pissed. I'm sick and tired of this crap. Okay. See this plastic in here? This was sitting in here. This is to hold the battery. That's the side of it. This one was in there like that. Now this one shipped and it's inside the plastic. And there is no additional plastic. You don't see any signs that it's used. The label that was over here isn't present on this one either. What I think is you got to be careful with the companies that you're ordering from on Amazon. Amazon's fine. It's the companies that are contracting with them. I don't know if this one's used or not. Why is it coming with the battery already on it? And I do believe, unless something has changed, that is illegal to do in the United States. Here we go right here. Inside the box, here's the plastic that the battery should have been in. Clip. Antenna. Microphone. Charger. And another thing, my other radio had this in a different spot. I can't say for sure this one's used. Why would you pull the battery out and ship it? Like literally, they had to remove this radio out of this plastic here, okay? And you can tell this had a battery in it. There's marks on it. I mean, it's not like it never got used and it was just sitting in the bag. Why is this on here and this is not on that? This is bullshit. This is not supposed to be going on. Okay? And, see that's busted all the way through? So this one got screwed pretty good. Okay, but I think this one's also been used. There's no reason why somebody would have put the battery on this at the factory, because it's not supposed to ship that way. I could be absolutely wrong, so if you know, please correct me. Let me know. I'm done with this video.